Would there be life without darkness? It doesn't seem like it.
One suggests the other. Would there be success without failure? We have two things going for us
in our human experience.
Here's one, opportunity.
And here's number two, the threat to the opportunity. Would there be life without death? It doesn't seem like it. What makes life valuable? Death. Life is the struggle to keep death at a respectable distance. A lot of people think that optimism is naive. It's not. Optimism is not the denial of reality. And positivity is about saying things are good even when they are not.
Optimism is the belief that the future is positive. We're going through a hard time now. Times are tough, they're rough, they're dark. But we will get through this.
Together. That's what optimism sounds like.
Let me say this before I move forward.
And I can explain it, but you better feel me.
Winners win, and losers lose. I don't know how it happens, but winners win.
And if you create a culture of losing, if you keep being a victim,
if you keep letting losing happen to you, if you letting people do you and treat you,
and kind in way, is gonna become a culture. You're not brave enough. You want to put it on somebody else. The reason why I'm not successful is 'cause I'm a boss. Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and say, I'm not giving up on time. I'm not going to work on time.
I have standards. I have values. Because I value myself enough to give 120% or don't do it. That's the problem with some of you. You always want to blame other people.
You want to hold other people to the fire, but you're not holding yourself to the fire.
You just say give 50%.
You owe you an explanation. You need to look at yourself in the mirror and say,
why you want to give a 50%? What's wrong with you? Free yourself from the disease of making others wrong. And you free yourself from the disease of making yourself wrong. You've got a lot of energy to create solutions instead of problems. It's part of power positive thinking. Instead of falling for the destructive power of negative thinking, we've got to condition ourselves. 'Cause if we don't, we go back to the automatic state that most of people live in today's society. The way to develop a habit is to go on a mental diet. And the most important,
you gotta find something to appreciate, even in the tough times.
'Cause in reality, as we talked about it so often before, the toughest timing out life sometimes provide you with the real resources to change your life. Put a habit of noticing something can appreciate in the situation. Even something seems to be negative. What I mean by that is, find out what's working, but also appreciate what isn't working. Appreciate it enough that maybe create enough pain for you want to make a change.
Hey,
being purely positive all the time is not the ultimate solution. Being purely positive 98% at time to me is the solution. I don't mean being negative. I mean being intelligent. I mean being critical in your thinking. Saying what you don't have is sometimes a useful tool. When you fail is when you've quit. But if you learn something and you expand from it, and enhance your life and the people you care about,
There is no failure